Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution for math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, B stand for small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket, O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents, D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now solve the brackets first, calculate inside the 3 square multiplied by 2. Now first bracket always had the highest priority. First we solve orders 3 square which is equals to 9, and after we multiplying the digits 9 multiplied by 2 18, and now the expression becomes 2 power 4 divided by root 64 plus 18 minus 10. Now move to the second step, clear the orders and exponent. Now simplify 2 power 4 and root 64. So now according to 2 power 4 is equals to 16 and root 64 is equals to 8. According to this step, powers and roots come right after the brackets, and now the expression becomes 16 divided by 8 plus 18 minus 10. Now the third step, perform division. Now first we divide the values. 16 divided by 8 equals to 2, and according to this step division takes the priority over the addition subtraction. And now the result becomes 2 plus 18 minus 10. Now the fourth step says perform addition. Now we add the values. 2 plus 18 is equals to 20. According to this step, addition is done before subtraction. So now the equation becomes 20 minus 10. And now the last, perform subtraction. So 20 minus 10 is equals to 10, and subtraction. So subtraction is the final step remaining, and this is the final answer. According to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the final result of this expression is 10. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.